What's Papa been up to? Yeah, man, I haven't cracked open this camera in weeks. And I have no cooking video for this week either. Just hadn't had time. I'm going to tell you a few things and projects and stuff that I've been working on. We haven't had rain in a month. And I'm watering when I can. Supposed to water only 2 days a week. And it's taking its toll on the house. And now we got some foundation problems. And one of the things it did is it busted a pipe under the house. So we had to have and it was just flooding. So we had to have that fixed. That wasn't cheap. But it left us with sheetrock work to do for Papa. Here, I'll show you a picture. I took a picture of that. I'm working on this today. I'm in the process of cutting the sheetrock to go on that spot. And I've got three other places to do and a long shot all the way down. Oh, in 1 month. No rain in 1 month. And then it poured down rain for 15 minutes the other day. I had this sitting out. I saw it yesterday and it was full of water. Look at that. And this is the baby I use the most, you know. So now I gotta clean that up. But the good thing about that is it will clean up. That's the cool part about it. What else we got going on? My truck has been in the shop for a week and a half or something like that. The sensor in the dash no longer communicates with my sensors. That sucker's dead, so I had to get that replaced. I was conversing with Steve Robb on that one back and forth when it was happening, trying to figure out what was wrong with it. What else we got? Oh, we went to Austin, unfortunately, to a funeral. My cousin's wife has had MS for 32 and a half years. And saw family, of course, just a few weeks ago. We were out of town. We went to a family reunion. He's the only one that didn't show up out of us cousins. And that's the same day he took his wife to the hospital where she never left. Anyway, so where's I going with that story? Oh, so James over at Eamon and Clayman, I text him and I said, hey, this is the hotel Ben and I, Bam Bam, are staying at. I need a good barbecue spot. He told me where to go. I'm going to show you a picture right here. Styles. And what is really cool about it, the food was good. It's expensive. I thought it was expensive around here. It's more expensive down there in Austin. But Austin's weird, you know. So anyway, check this picture out. Okay, so this shopping strip was the first shopping strip built in Austin, and it's in the film or movie Dazed and Confused. It was the Emporium or whatever you call that. I don't remember. Emporium maybe. And then the other cool part is there's one scene in Smoking the Bandit where Burt Reynolds is sitting inside sipping on a beer, I believe, and the sheriff comes in, needs him a sandwich. And that one scene, supposedly, by the pictures, was filmed inside that restaurant. That is really cool, you know? I mean, the food was good, but up here, the new place I found is a place called Tender over in Salina. And if you go there, you got to get a little bit of the jalapeno, a cheesy, a sausage. I think they make it themselves, I don't know, but it's really good. It's not hot, spicy hot, no. It's just really good. What else we got? We did that. I'll get my truck back soon. Oh, Booger and Tom over in Florida, they got their mail yesterday. I promised him a hat June of last year, and then I come back here and you can only get the hat at Buc-ee's, and they said, hey, due to the China virus, it's stuck on a ship, cargo ship. I said, okay, that's fine. I've waited a year and a half. That cargo ship finally ported. He finally gets his hat. I think, yeah, I sent him my Uncle Steve's shake hat also. And of course I sent Booger some Whataburger seasonings because she loves them, and I figured, hey, if I'm sending Tom something, might as well slip something in there for her. I think I sent her 3 different types of Whataburger sauces, and anyway, I know she'll love them. I don't know if she's had those, but one of them she has. I don't know. Anyway, so past that, the next one last night, and you can go see this. I'll leave a link to this video. It's a 20-minute video of Kent over at Daddy Dutch Barbecue. He's doing a live opening of a box I sent him. And let me tell you the story about this. So he and I were down with Uncle Steve in Houston last February. And he and I and his wife went to HEB. And of course we walked down the cast iron and the cooking aisle and all this stuff. And he fell in love with this Texas shaped jalapeno popper cooker thing, grate. And I was there the other day and I thought, oh yeah, he couldn't buy that because he didn't want to take it on a plane with him. So I bought it and I mailed it to him, and he does an unboxing live last night. Link here, whatever. Go check him out. He was in some competitions yesterday. I think he got the Grand Reserve or something like that. And then he got the loins. He won the loins, and he's got this nice metal steel trophy. Go check it out. Yeah. So what's some cooks coming up for Papa Texas? Here in a smidge today. Here in a little bit. We'll put it that way. Fried green beans. All right, crispy actually. Fried green beans. We're going to use some. I think I'm going to use Hooters wing seasoning. I don't want to use a cornmeal or anything, so we're going to go with that. Should be videotaping it, and that'll be coming out. Fixing to do 2 rib eyes. Got some Uncle Steve's cow champion or competition cow powder on it, and some Worcestershire sauce, and they're sitting in the fridge. Those are not going to be on video. And then the other one for a video, what was it? Oh, stuffed pork loin. I did see Booger today did a similar. She did a pork loin and stuffed it, and Booger, I couldn't find the ingredients you used, but I think you're going to enjoy the ones I picked. I think it's going to be tasty. The spread to go in it is called a burnt ends. So I think that's going to be kind of tasty. I did get the baby Swiss. I did not get the Canadian bacon. I don't know where you get that at. Anyway, I bet that was hard to roll with that when they're flying around like that. Anyway, I got those coming up. I'm gonna get the pork. I'm gonna smash it down and load it up and roll it up and put it in saran wrap. And I'm gonna let it sit overnight. And I'm cooking that one tomorrow. We're gonna do the fried green beans tonight on camera. Steak will not be on camera, and that's what we have. What do we got the rest of the week? Oh, I took a couch or a easy chair apart. I'll show you a picture of that after I took it all apart with the Easy Saw. Yeah, look at that sucker. Yeah, I cut it apart inside the house. That was a mistake, but Gigi wasn't here, and I found out it left a lot of sawdust. Yeah. Sure did. We got a couple other projects here. Oh, the tools that have crapped up in here in the corner. I'm using some of these blue tubs. Yeah, I'll show you a picture. I got some of these blue tubs right here, and I'm separating them by kind of what they are, and that's what I'm doing there. And I got another place to put them than where they were. Most of my tools are in my toolbox in my truck, or they're over there. I don't know if you see that. Nope. That's what I have for you. Gotta love the Blackstone Adventure Ready. Gotta love the Z Grills. Gotta love the Weber kettle. And the smoker over there, whatever name it is. We've gotten rid of some cookers. That's just Papa. I don't know how long this was. I just felt like rambling because I haven't looked into the lens of a camera in a couple weeks. Thought I should. Alright. Oh, let me throw in this. This is a picture of my family reunion. There you go. That's the people that showed up to the family reunion a couple weeks ago, whatever it was. That was in McGregor, Texas. Anyway, like I said, all 10 of 11 cousins showed up. And then others in the family. Hit that bell. It's Papa. Let's do that again. Hit that bell. It's Papa. Papa, Texas. Papa's Kitchen. Yeah. See y'all. Have a wonderful, a blessed week coming up. Go Brandon!